Strawberries are a widely loved fruit. They're sweet, refreshing, and good for you. Like many other fruits, strawberries offer a variety of health benefits. One you may not be aware of is their ability to whiten your teeth. Strawberries contain citric acid and malic acid, two ingredients that can make your teeth whiter. While they can offer a more natural alternative to some teeth whitening products, they often only give the look of whiter teeth for a temporary period of time. You shouldn't rely on this fruit to whiten your teeth for a couple of reasons. First, strawberries are high in sugar, which eats away at your teeth enamel when it is allowed to sit in your mouth. Rubbing strawberries all over your pearly whites may put you at a higher risk of developing cavities. Second, the acid in strawberries that can brighten your smile also harms your tooth enamel over time. If you eat a lot of strawberries, you'll want to make sure that you're brushing with fluoride toothpaste to ensure that your enamel stays nice and strong. Once enamel wears away, it can't be replaced naturally. Health benefits of strawberries. Even though you shouldn't swap out your toothpaste for a bowl of strawberries, this fruit offers tons of health benefits when eaten. They are a great source of vitamin C, with 1 cup giving you 100% of your daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that contributes to a healthy immune system. Ellagic acid, a phytochemical found in strawberries, also works hard to keep you healthy. Ellagic acid has been shown to yield anti-cancer properties like suppressing cancer cell growth, said registered dietitian Madeline Edwards. Strawberries also contain antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthins. Antioxidants are scavengers to free radicals and neutralize the potentially negative effect they can have on our cells. Strawberries also help you maintain healthy vision, keep wrinkles at bay, lower cholesterol, and regulate your blood pressure. Whether you eat them plain, throw them into a smoothie, or cook them in a delicious dessert, strawberries should be a regular part of your diet.